Hey everybody, it's me, Wade, and I'm tired. I am so tired. I'm going to bed. Let me tell you why I'm so tired today. This is my cat Pepper, by the way. Hey, say hi, Pepper. There's my crotch. Me and my cousin and her fiance and my mom went to Swallow Falls. If you're from around here, you probably know where Swallow Falls is in Garret County, I think. Yep, there it is. Look how beautiful it is. There's the water falling down. And it's kinda, they have like slippery, it's like a very smooth bottom, kinda like a slide. Although it was kinda deep, I don't know. It was deeper than it usually is, so you couldn't really slide down that fast. And well, oh, look at him. There goes my cousin's fiance. There he is. And, oh, there's me. There's me in the next clip. Right there I'm going. There I am. I'm giving thumbs up with my feet. That's cool. And here, this one, you can go actually behind the falls. That's what we're doing. And we're doing that behind the falls and stuff. And that's the dog. He's barking. He's barking because he thinks that we're in trouble because we're screaming because the water is so cold. So cold. And there's more of it. And there's more of it. Felt like I needed an outro.